Australian Taxation Office or ATO is now catching tax evaders through artificial intelligence. They have deployed artificial intelligence models to detect more than 242 million Australian dollar worth of tax evasion and 295 million worth of superannuation underpayments. Tax evasion has definitely gotten harder with the introduction of AI for ATO. ATO has said in um, this report, which has been published exclusively by Australian Financial Review, that it has used deep learning models to uncover 295 million in superannuation underpayments, while these natural language models were used to read leaked documents such as Panama Papers to identify 242 millions owed by tax evaders. This technology can detect unpaid super with 90% accuracy. So AI is definitely making an impact, and this is yet another salient example of AI's capacity to significantly enhance human work processes and outcomes. As you can see that in this case, large language models or LLMs are being used to greatly extend the effectiveness of ATO staff. I really like this article and I will drop the link to this AFR article in video's description, and I would highly suggest you give it a read because it is such an insightful read as it highlights the use of human oversight and controls, where AI works in tandem with the humans to achieve a result that couldn't otherwise be achieved or possible in short span of time. So this is a very, for me, it is actually quite hopeful news because this shows us that AI is not here to replace us, but to augment our productivity and make things easier to handle. So, really hats off to ATO for doing this, and thanks to AFR for publishing this report. Thanks for listening. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.